Today, this is a restaurant and bar, but एक time पर this was a prison for women. Guys, I'm having my meal on a floating table today.
Goa has secrets, and it's much more than just beaches. You need to go beyond beaches and places like this. Enchanting, bewildering, exciting. Welcome to the Becco de Garafoege, or the Alley of Bottles.
Did you know that this bread, the pao, was brought to Goa by the Portuguese 500 years ago, and it is still baked in the same way. आ रहा है नीचे से?
नहीं,
नहीं
जोर
आया
लगाना
मतलब?
है, जोर लगाना है, जोर लगाना है।
This is so cool. Rice noodles. Goa, the most happening state of India. We've all seen Goa ke beaches, parties or nightlife. But is that all Goa is? It's India with Ellie. Goa edition mein, I'm going on a journey to discover the real Goa that's beyond the obvious. चाहे वो Goan cuisine हो या forgotten art forms, हर episode में मिलेगा एक नया surprise. Now in this episode, let's see what Goa has to offer when it comes to Goan food and its culture. Starting from Goa's most famous drink, Feni. गोवा के इस जगह पर मिलती है ऑथेंटिक हेरिटेज ड्रिंक फेनी। चलो आज जानते हैं फेनी की कहानी, मेकिंग और इसकी असली टेस्ट। I'm at Floating Feni in Goa today, a 100-year-old distillery जहां आज भी ट्रेडिशनल तरह से ही फेनी बनाई जाती है। यहाँ का पूरा स्ट्रक्चर, old school tools and process give you a real sense of how cashew fruit was turned into Goa's most iconic spirit. It's amazing to see how a simple fruit has been part of Goa's culture for centuries. And thanks to Hansel Vaz, also known as the popular Feni doctor, for starting and creating this Feni experience here in Goa. So ever since I've come to Goa, I keep hearing about this drink called Feni. So, thank you.
Wow.
So
And
can
magically
you,
appears.
yeah. So can you tell me more about Feni? Like, what is Feni exactly?
Feni is probably one of the world's most exotic spirits. That is,
Exotic spirits.
yeah, exotic spirits. It's not a conventional.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Kazulo has 5 expressions. We have a cashew, which everyone knows about, very popular. We have a coconut, which is again also very popular. We had a dukshiri, which is a very rare Feni. Then we introduced a new one this year called Ale, which is ginger. It's a nice tantalizing ginger flavored Feni, made of coconut Feni. And the last one is a beautiful liqueur. So it's a coffee liqueur. It's called a Café Conserva.
Now what made my visit here more interesting is this floating Feni experience. Jahan amidst the greenery and this flowing water, my God, so sweet! Wow!
You get butterflies on the table as well.
Yeah! A cute setup mein you get to taste different types of Feni. That too with a grazing platter which is filled with Goan snacks, seasonal fruits and local favorites. So this is cheese.
Guava cheese. It's made.
Guava cheese.
It's like a quince that they have in London. Very nice. It's different. So you have this. With
Sweet.
Yeah, it's sweet. It's sweet. Yeah.
Sweet cheese.
Yeah. We do a sensory tasting where we are smelling and tasting things together. And that's how it goes.
absolutely love it. Feni tastes so yummy with these fruits. You must try it. Cheers. I didn't know I'll get an exclusive fish pedicure today as well. And they're so cute. It's ticklish. सबको लगता है कि गोवा की हिस्ट्री सिर्फ पोर्चुगीज रूल तक ही है, पर उसकी हिस्ट्री कहीं ज़्यादा ही गहरी और फैसिनेटिंग है।
और ये हिस्ट्री गोवन कसीन की डाइवर्सिटी में भी दिखती है।
तो फेमस नॉन-वेज गोवन कसीन के लिए कोकनी कैंटीन इन पैंजिम इज द बेस्ट।
We are serving traditional Goan Saraswat food here, and famous, I would say, maybe because we have kept it quite simple and tasty, and we work on the basics of the food, not very flamboyant in terms of trying out various dishes, but sticking to our traditional food, which I suppose has appealed to the people of who are traveling, and it's not made famous by the food, it's made by the people, so I'm thankful to all of them.
यहाँ की स्पेशलिटी है चिकन कैफरेल एंड बप्पा थाली, जिसमें इतने यमी डिशेस है कि आपका मन नहीं भरेगा। वैसे यहाँ ब्राह्मण सरस्वत स्टाइल में ऑथेंटिक कोंकणी फूड सर्व किया जाता है। फ्रेशली कुक्ड फिश डिशेस जैसे लेपो, वेरिलियो, मोत्सो, तेसरियो और इश्वान सब यहाँ मिलते हैं। इवन इनके मेन्यू में सोल कड़ी, कोकुम सार, कोंकणी करीज, मसाला प्रॉन्स, प्रॉन भजिया, सुरमाई रवा और बॉम्बे डक फ्राई जैसे ऑप्शंस भी है, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी है।
अगर मुंह में पानी आ रहा है तो वेट फॉर द डिजर्ट्स।
इनकी 7-layered Indo-Portuguese sweet, bebinca and serudara, which in Portuguese means sawdust pudding, is something that you would have never tasted before.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Wow. I get it that this is popular. Highly recommend this one. If I'm not wrong, I think this is the one that is called bibinka, and which is like super duper famous here in Goa. मीठा है, लेकिन ज़्यादा मीठा भी नहीं है. So, you know, for all the sweet lovers who loves to eat sweets but doesn't want it to be too sweet in taste, this is perfect. Yum.
Red laterite walls, soft yellow lights, and a warm, welcoming vibe that makes you want to sit back and enjoy.
Non-vegetarians के लिए ये तो perfect spot है for an authentic Goan cuisine. But vegetarians के लिए क्या? I'm meeting सावनी जी, जो बहुत फेमस है अपने वेजिटेरियन गोवन खाने के लिए। जी हाँ, गोवा में बढ़िया वेजिटेरियन खाना भी है।
A lot of people think कि गोवन cuisine में सिर्फ नॉन-वेज डिशेस के ही ऑप्शंस होते हैं, पर ऐसा नहीं है। सावनी जी गोवा में डॉक्टर मालिक्स फार्म रन करती है। इस फार्म में उनके साथ कई और लेडीज भी है, जो मिलकर वेजिटेरियन गोवन cuisine बनाती है, वो भी अपने ही फार्म में ग्रो हुई वेजिस से।
और आज मैं ये खाना सिर्फ खाऊंगी नहीं, बल्कि थोड़ा बहुत इनसे खाना बनाना भी सीख जाऊंगी।
So whenever people come here, we whatever we get freshly in the farm, we use it to make recipes and serve them.
Okay. So during the day, like how many people come here?
They pre-book and come. So
they
we limit
pre-book,
to
okay.
around 50 people. We don't take, because then everybody gets to experience nicely. Little
This is
bindi.
bindi.
You want to cut this?
Okay, so now we've got bindi, we've got dhania. अभी बाकी क्या है?
नींबू. I'll show you अपना local variety of नींबू.
कितना खुशबू आ रहा है ये नींबू से.
हाँ. चलो अभी इसके साथ कुछ खाना बनाते हैं.
हाँ.
This is our kitchen, so it's very homely kitchen though it's a restaurant. So I have my ladies like is Kaki and everybody who will also teach you how to make it.
आ रहा है नीचे से?
नहीं,
नहीं
जोर
आया
लगाना
मतलब?
है, जोर लगाना है.
This is so cool.
This is very sharp, don't touch. So we sit like this.
Oh my
So
god.
this part we use for grating the coconut. Like this.
Wow. Wow. This
is
looks
your-
amazing.
So this is the pineapple curry that we made.
Okay.
This is the मसूर का curry with coconut. ये pineapple जो आपने बनाया,
Yeah.
ये सब्जी,
Yeah.
भिंडी का.
भिंडी का सब्जी
That's
और
the
ये
भिंडी.
फ्राइड वाला
हाँ,
भिंडी.
भिंडी,
हाँ,
हाँ.
correct. This is so yummy.
spicy, sweet और tangy. तीनों flavors हैं.
But it's not that spicy.
Yeah, we've made it very less spicy. So Goan food is not very spicy,
Oh my
not
God,
very
I
oily also.
love this. Yum. Everything here is so tasty. कि मतलब I'm just thinking which one is my favorite, but actually I do have a favorite. And it is the pineapple one. This looks like Hogwarts fireplace. लेकिन यहाँ से निकलता है गोवा का असली मैजिक. पाव.
गोवा में फेवरेट ब्रेकफास्ट होता है कटलेट पाव, भाजी पाव एंड गोवन पोर्क सॉसेजेस. इन सब माउथ वाटरी डिशेस में कॉमन है पाव. This is Goa's one of the oldest bakery, Godino Bakery. ये 100 साल पुरानी बेकरी है मेजोर्डा में, जहाँ से बहुत से गोवा के लोकल्स पाव लेते हैं.
Hi, Godino uncle.
Yes, welcome.
How are you?
Okay.
आज जो फ्लफी गोवन पाव हम खाते हैं उसकी कहानी शुरू हुई थी पोर्टुगीज से. बैक देन यीस्ट नहीं मिलता था, सो गोवन बेकर्स यूज टॉडी. हाँ, नारियल के पेड़ वाला. ये टॉडी बनाता था ब्रेड को सॉफ्ट विद अ स्लाइट टैंजी केक. एंड आज भी गोदिनो बेकरी जैसे कुछ प्लेसेस इस पुरानी टेक्निक से ही पाव बनाते हैं.
अच्छा, तो किस तरीके से बनाते हैं, मतलब ये
You
तो
do it.
मैं भी ट्राई कर सकती हूँ?
Sure. Take this too.
सब बस राउंड ने
हाँ.
ऐसा.
नहीं होता है ना, मुश्किल पड़ता है.
ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है. हाँ, देखो हो गया ना ये.
दादा.
क्या हुआ मेरा यार. ठीक है,
नहीं हुआ.
तो ये आप करो प्लीज और मैं इसको बेक करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है वो ज्यादा आसान होगा ना.
हाँ. Put in that. One.
हाँ, एक बचा है.
आया.
आया 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 आया. ये मैंने बनाया. Crispy crust but soft inside. West में भी bread ritual है, but this is soul food.
और जब इन बेकरीज पर बन के रेडी हो जाते हैं तो पोदर आते हैं अपनी साइकिल पर और ये पाव घर घर जाकर डिलीवर करते हैं। और पोदर की बेल,
ये होता है गोवा का असली अलार्म। पोदेर की बेल beats the phone ringtone any day.
What a soulful experience this has been. I'm glad मैंने soul traveling के साथ आज पाव बनाना देखा और सीखा। You can reach out to them too when you are in Goa.
We have tasted authentic Goan cuisine, but Goa is more than tradition. It's where history blends with modern creativity.
And Cavatina by Avinash Martins in Benaulim. South Goa blends Goan heritage with modern elegance. यहाँ गोवा के ट्रेडिशनल गोवन डिशेस को शेफ ने अपना अलग ट्विस्ट दिया है. And this twist has turned out pretty good. Greek spanakopita gets reborn with red amarnath and cashew butter. A Saraswat prawn curry known as prawn human is paired with tefla foam and topped with puffed rice crust and caper berries.
We started in 2013, leaps and bounds. We've been growing. People are understanding what Goan flavors are all about, and it's been an interesting learning. For me, it's also been understanding and discovering new aspects of my culture, because Goa is a kaleidoscope of various cultures. There is Indo-Portuguese, there is the Saraswat, there is the Hindus, there are the Aboriginals and the natives. So various flavors is what one gets to observe. And what I do at Cavatina is a very playful take on that. We use various flavors from various cultures and then we put it up on a plate.
Like Cavatina, Beno, and Julene by the Sea, each bringing together different cultures and flavors on one plate. These are the kind of places that are hidden and you won't usually find on your regular Goa trip.
Okay, now I truly know why Chef Avinash Martins was ranked amongst India's top chefs in 2022. Because the food here is so delicious and it's so hearty.
Along with food, the ambience here is also breathtaking. Inside, you'll find relics like clay pots, garafos used for storing feni, and even vintage lambretta by the bar, each piece showing Goa's cultural roots. The next stop I went to was a prison. It's cellar 1612 in Aguad Fort premises.
Located within the Aguad Fort, Cellar 1612 has now transformed an old women's cell into an intimate, fine dining space.
(1612) में पोर्टुगीज ने बनाया था ये जेल. Smugglers, pirates, convicts यही बैठे होते थे. You never know what future has in store. Not only for you, but even for a place. The stone pillars, restored cell doors, and elegant fixtures preserve the stories of the past while welcoming modern gastronomy. आज यहाँ मिलता है almost हर स्टेट का स्पेशलिटी फूड.
We have explored and lived and completely understood Goan cuisine and culture. But what about drinks? Well, my find for you is the Black Sheep Bistro Aguad. So, chaliye mere sath.
Known for its seasonal approach, the menu changes with what's fresh and available, keeping every visit unique. Abhi tak, I had explored the places serving true Goan cuisine. But Aguad Fort premises की ये जगह उन लोगों को के लिए है जिन्हें गोवा के ड्रिंक्स को भी एंजॉय करना है. Drinks like the Pan and Amante Picante, Combine local ingredients with modern mixology, giving every sip a Goan soul.
So we have the first one is thick musang, the second one is blush, and the third one is the pan. For the first one, the thick musang, it's made with jalapeno and then fresh pineapples. That is the local, the fenny base. The second one is the blush, which is made of pomegranate, fresh pomegranate, and a little mint base. And the base is the rum base. And the third one is the pan, which is made of fresh betel leaf and soft anise, and it's vodka base. All the cocktail is made from this Black Sheep Bistro, the uniqueness of this, because in other restaurant you won't get the freshness, because most of the restaurant use only the syrup or the infusing of this, but we use a fresh ingredient of that.
Wow. Okay, yummy है. इसका भी try कर लेते हैं. Wow. I can understand why this is so famous because it's actually super tasty. जैसे मुझे लगता था, वैसे ही सबको लगता है कि गोवा सिर्फ बीचेस और पार्टीज है, लेकिन आज मैं कह सकती हूँ इट्स सो मच मोर देन दैट. यहाँ का cuisine अपने कल्चर, ट्रेडिशंस और हिस्ट्री को एक यूनिक टेस्ट के थ्रू बयान करता है. And I totally fell in love with it. In my next episode, मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ another side of Goa, but this time through its architectural beauty.